Introducing the amazing Adventure King semi-flexible solar panels. Ultra powerful, lightweight and durable. Ideal for mounting on top of a roof rack, installing on top of your canopy, toolbox or your caravan.
Installing a solar panel on the roof of your rig means your auxiliary battery is always receiving charge, whether you're at camp, driving around town, on the job site or anywhere. That means the ability to run your fridge 24/7 without ever turning it off. The Adventure King semi-flexible solar panels are the latest in solar technology. They come in two sizes, 110 watt and 160 watt, ready to install in a variety of ways. The 110 watt panel measures in at 670mm wide by 1070mm long and can produce up to 5.95 amps per full hour of sunlight. The 160 watt panel measures the same 670mm wide, but is 1370mm long and can produce a thumping 8.75 amps per full hour of sunlight. One of the biggest benefits is how lightweight they are. The 110 watt weighs just 2.85 kilos and the 160 just 3.9 kilos. So you can keep your car, caravan or trailer's weight to a minimum thanks to the slick design. They're built incredibly tough too. With an ultra durable Etfe coating, these panels have a lifespan much longer than the no-name flexible panels available from many online sellers, which can break down and degrade much quicker from the cheaper materials used in the manufacturing process. Both size panels come with individual junction boxes, perfect for joining multiple panels together, and waterproof Mc4 connectors. Run them into an optional Adventure King solar regulator or straight into the solar input of your DC charger for ultra easy battery charging. They also feature clever bypass diodes, which means that even in part shade, they're still incredibly efficient too. With reinforced eyelets on all four corners, they can be bolted or even cable tied to cage roof racks for a super easy install. Or watch our install video for more permanent ways to mount your new semi-flexible solar panel.
So if you're looking to hard mount a solar panel for continuous battery charging, you simply can't go past an Adventure King semi-flexible solar panel.